2. How to shadow like a native speaker. Welcome back. In Part 2, we'll teach you how to do shadowing step by step.
Step 1. Choose short audio. Maybe a podcast, YouTube video, or movie clip you like.
Step 2. Listen carefully once without speaking. Focus on meaning and tone.
Step 3. Play again and speak together with the speaker. Not after, but with.
Step 4. Repeat the same clip again and again until your pronunciation feels natural.
Step 5. Record yourself. Listening to your own voice helps so much.
Let's learn 3 useful phrases for this step.
Playback means to listen to a recording again.
In sync means at the same time, like matching rhythm perfectly.
Repeat after me, the teacher's favorite phrase. It means copy exactly how I say it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this.
And tell us, what English audio would you like to shadow next?
See you soon in Part 3, Pronunciation and Accent Tips.